Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next writing section topic, which is an invitation. Okay, invitation. This topic is very much familiar to the 12th class students because they have already done this topic in class 11th. But for 11th class students, this topic is so much new. For them, I am going to define this topic again. Invitation means invitation cards that we usually receive from other persons in our day-to-day life. Invitation card. Okay, we get to see the invitation card at our homes also. Invitation cards. Okay, there are two kinds of invitation, formal and informal. This is not about letters. Remember one thing, this is about invitation. There are two kinds of invitation, formal and informal. And one thing more, there are two kinds of formal invitation. There are two kinds of formal invitation card, printed and not printed. Okay, now I will tell you in which situation we write the printed invitation card or in which situation we write the not printed invitation card. If you want the gathering in your function like wedding, birthday party, if you want the gathering, then you will use the way of printed invitation card. If you do not require the gathering, if you are going to invite only one or two person or only one person as a chief guest to attend your function, so that in that case you will use the method of not printed invitation card. But remember one thing, that that not printed invitation card will be in the formal invitation, that not printed invitation card. Now I am going to tell you this thing again, that why do we write formal printed invitation card? We write formal printed invitation card for weddings, birthday parties and inauguration. But we write formal not printed invitation card for one or two persons or only one persons as a chief guest to attend the function or to distribute the prizes among the winners. There is so much difference between formal printed and formal not printed. Okay, I am not talking about informal now, I am talking about formal only. Now let me teach you the format of formal printed invitation card. Printed means printed invitation card that we usually receive in our day-to-day life from someone to attend their weddings, function, birthday parties. Okay, so let's start the format. There are 7 to 8 steps of the format. Before writing the printed formal invitation card, what do we write? First of all, we write the logo. Okay, as you can see, whenever we receive the invitation card from someone, in the very beginning we can see the logo of the company who prints the invitation card, or you can say Vakrtund Mahakay, that will be the logo. But this logo is not required by you in the exams. Okay, for the format I am just telling you this thing, but it is seriously not required for you to write in the exams or in the notebook. So your first step will start from this thing, name of the organizer. Name of the organizer means the person who is organizing the function. Okay, name of the organizer. And the next step will be extend the invitation card. Extend. How will you extend the invitation card? You will extend the invitation card by writing solicit your benign presence. Solicit your benign presence. Sorry, I forgot to write presence here. Solicit your benign presence to grace the auspicious occasion of. In the place of solicit, you can write the request also. Request your benign presence to grace the auspicious occasion of. Okay, this is the next step. This writing these lines are very much necessary. Without this, your printed invitation card is incomplete. Okay, to grace the auspicious occasion of. After that, you will write the function's name. Okay, which function's name, like wedding or birthday party or inauguration ceremony, you will write the function's name here in capital letters. Okay, like if it's a wedding of someone, okay, then you will write the wedding ceremony in capital letters. Of their son means the name of the organizer. Who is the organizer is Mr. and Mrs. Dalal, and their son name is Neeraj. Of their son Neeraj, in capital letter you will write weds, means to whom he is going to get married. I am just writing the name like this. Suman, Neeraj weds Suman. After writing this, you will write time, place and venue. These are the steps. These are the steps of formal invitation printed card. Time, place and venue. After writing this, in the left hand side, in the left corner, you will write the RSVP. This writing RSVP is very much necessary in formal printed invitation card. RSVP means please respond, means the person to whom you are going to invite in your function, with due respect you are inviting that person and you want the presence of that person in your function. Okay, and in the same line, in the right hand side, you will write the with best compliments. Okay, from Shama family or which family you are talking about, that will be given to you in the question. You will have to use the same. This format is complete of formal printed. I think this is very clear to you. Still, if you feel any problem, you may ask to me anytime. Now let's talk about the formal not printed. As I told you that we always use the formal not printed invitation card to invite only one or two persons as a chief guest to attend the function or to distribute the prizes among the winners. Okay, so that format will be like the letters format, formal letter format. Okay, formal not printed invitation card format will be like the formal letters. Okay, first of all you will like the write the sender address, that will be given to you in the question. If it is not given, you will make it yourself. Then you will use the date, then you will write the date. After writing the date, again you will leave one line and then you will write the receiver address, and that will be given to you in the question. Again you will leave one line and then you will write the subject. After writing the subject, again you leave one line and then you will write the salutation, then the body of the formal not printed invitation card, and then the complimentary close, exactly like the formal letter. The format will be like the formal letter. Okay, after the next type, the last type of the invitation card will be informal. As we always prepare the format of informal letter, in the same way we will prepare the format of the informal invitation card. Okay, informal, we would always write informal invitation card to our friends or relatives, very close friend or relatives, means who can come in our function, who can attend our function without sending them the printed invitation card. To them we can write this informal invitation card. This is also handwritten. Okay, so for that also you will use the same format of the informal letter, like sender address, leave one line, date, leave one line, and then salutation. Receiver address, subject is not allowed to write in the informal letter or informal invitation. Then you will use the body of the invitation and then complimentary close. So this is, I'm just going to give you the view of all the topics again so that you can understand it more clearly. So I have completed this topic of invitation. One more topic is related to this topic, which is replies. Okay, I'll teach you that topic tomorrow, but till then you can revise this topic. I'll send you the sample of this topic on WhatsApp group so that you can make it more clear. Still, if you have any doubt, you can call me or text me anytime so that you can take it properly, you can learn it properly. Okay, all the best.